Hello students, welcome to Nagesh Karazgi Orchid channel. I am your maths teacher. What we have studied in our last session, we have started our second chapter, addition and subtraction, and we have started our exercise 2.1. We have solved A and B question. I hope you have practiced those questions in the rub book on same day. So what we have done in last session, we have done 4-digit addition with 5-digit answer, but today we are going to see addition of 5 and 6-digit numbers. Okay, so the example they had given, add 43,468 and 18,833. Now they have explained one by one. Now I will explain you in the same way. What is the first step? First step, write the numbers one below properly in place value chart. Okay, so add first the ones place. What is on ones place? 8 plus 3. 8 plus 3 is 11. So how we will write 11? One is on ones place and the other one is on carry to tens place. Okay. Now what is the second step? We have to add all these three numbers on tens place. What it is? 1 plus 6 plus 3. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. So how we will write? 0 on tens place. 1 we will carry to hundreds place. Now see the hundreds place. Now 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 8 is 13. So 1300. 13 we will write on hundreds place and 1000. See 1300 means 1300. So 3 we will write on hundreds place. 1 we will carry to thousands place. Now we will do the addition of thousands place. Okay. Now 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 8, 12. So we are doing addition of thousands place means 12,000 we got the answer. In 12,000 you can see 10,000 is there and 10,000 is there. 10,000 and 2,000. So 2 we will write in thousands place and 1 we will carry to 10,000s place. Okay. So now last we have to add thousands place, 10,000s place value. Okay. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. So right. So what is the answer? Here we got 62,310. Got it? Understood? Now we will solve. See, here the example number 2 they had given. This also I'll explain you. So the addition is, what is the number they had given? Add 6 digits here. 4 lakh, 6 digits means lakh. 4,28,783, 3,47,492 and 26,987. 2 6-digit number and 1 5-digit number. Okay. So we have to add together. First what we have to do? We have to add ones and regroup. Means 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 7 is 12. Together we have to add all these numbers and 2 write on ones place, 1 will carry to tens place. Okay. In the same way we have to do tens place also. Now see, 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 9, yes, 9 plus 9, 18. 18 plus 8 become 26. So 6 we will write on tens place and 2 we will carry to hundreds place. Now 2 plus 7, 9. 9 plus 4, yes, tell me, 13. Now 13 plus 9 is 22. So 2 write on hundreds place and 2 will carry to thousands place. Now 2 plus 8, 10. 10 plus 7, 17. 17 plus 6 is 23. So 3 we will write on thousands place and 2 we will carry to 10,000s place. Now 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 0 on 10,000s place and 1 we will carry to lakhs place. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. Got it? So what is the answer we got here? 8,03,262. Understood everyone? Yes? Yes. The answer is 8,03,262. Now open the page number 25. Now we will solve exercise 2.2, question number A. What is the question number A? Add. Okay, we will start from first question. What is the first question? 36,425, 22,531. Okay, here space is there, enough space. So I will solve here only and you will also solve in the textbook only. 5 plus 1, 6. So write 6. 2 plus 3, 5. Correct. 4 plus 5, 9. Very good. 6 plus 2. Yes students, 8 and 3 plus 2, 5. So we are writing 5-digit number. So we are writing Indian system numbers. So give commas after 3-digit. So answer is 58,956. Got it? Now I will solve third one for you. See the third one question. Third one question, they had given 6-digit number. Both the numbers are 6-digit number. So the question is 6,532, 2,75,242, 45. Now we will add. Now tell me 2 plus 5, 7. Correct. 3 plus 4, 7. 5 plus 2, 7. 0 plus 5. See, as I told you, whenever we add any number in the 0, we get number itself. So 0 plus 5 is 5. 0 plus 7 is 7. 6 plus 2 is 8. So in Indian, we give comma after 3-digit from left side and after 2-digit. The answer is 8,75,777. Got it? Very easy. Now I will solve 6th one for you. Why 6th one? Because here one 5-digit is there and one 4-digit is there. Okay? So I will solve this one. 9 plus 9. 9 plus 9, 18. So I will write 8 here. 1 will carry to 10's place. Now 1 plus 0, 1 only. And 1 plus 8, 9. Okay. Now 7 plus 7, 14. So write 4 in hundreds place. 1 will carry to thousands place. Now 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 4, 11. So write 1 on thousands place. 1 will carry to 10,000s place. 1 plus 5, 6. So the answer is 61,498. Got it? Now we will solve 9th one. See the 9th question. 3,45,464, 2,32,538. Now we will add 4 plus 8. Tell me students, 4 plus 8 is 12. So write 2 on 1's place. 1 will carry to 10's place. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. Now next, thousands place. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 2, 7. 4 plus 3, 7. 2 plus 3, 5. So the answer is, see, give commas after 3-digit, after 2-digit. 5,77,002. Got it? Yes. Now we will solve some more questions for you. Now we will solve 13th one. because in 13th one we have 4 numbers to add together. Okay, now we will see what are those numbers. 6,48,703, 1,12,499, 28,300 and 2,16,702. Now let us add these all numbers together. Okay, so we have to just regroup all the numbers together. 3 plus 9. Yes students, tell me, 3 plus 9 is 12, and 12 plus 2, here 0 is there, so we will, if we add 0 in 12 we get as it is 12. So 12 plus 2 is 14, so 4 will write in 1's place and 1 will carry to 10's place. Now we will add this side, 10's place. 1 plus 0, 1 only will come. 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 0, 0, nothing. So 10 only. 0 on 10's place, 1 will carry to 100's place. Now tell me, 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 3, yes, 15. 15 plus 7, yes, tell me, 22. So we will write 2 on 100's place and 2 we will carry to 1000's place. Now 2 plus 8, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 plus 8 is 20. 20 plus 6 is 26. So 6 write on 1000's place and 2 carry to 10,000's place. Now we will add all the numbers on 10,000's place. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. So 0 on 10,000's place and 1 will carry to lakhs place. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 2, yes, 10. Give comma after 2 digit, after 2 digit. See, when we have added 3 6-digit number and 1 5-digit number, we got answer with 7-digit number. So the number is 10,06,204. Got it? Now I will solve 15th one for you. What is the 15th one question, students? So now this question I will solve by counting the fingers, because some students don't know directly addition. You just keep trying. When you try, you can do in the same way. Most of the students are knowing directly addition, but here I'll go with the fingers. Now here this 4 numbers we have to add together. Now this is what? 8. 8 keep in your mind. Now 4. Now count after 8 4 numbers. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so write somewhere 12. Now what we have to add? 6. So keep 6 fingers and count after 12. After 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, 18. 18 plus 0 become 18 only. So write 8 here and 1 we will carry to 10's place. Now we will add this 5 numbers. 1 plus 7, very easy, 8. Okay, write somewhere 8. Now 8 after 2 fingers. 8 after 2, 9, 10. Okay, write somewhere. Now 10 plus 1, 11. 11 plus 0, 11 as it is. So 1 on 10's place, 1 will carry to 100's place. Now 1 plus 4, very easy, 5. Okay, now 5 keep in your mind and 3 on fingers. 5 after 3, 6, 7, 8. Write somewhere 8 and again we have to add 5. Keep 5 fingers and count after 8. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, 13. Write roughly 13 and again we have to add in 13, 8. Now keep 8 fingers and count after 13. 13 after 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So 21 we write 1 in 100's place, 2 will carry to 1000's place. Okay, this is rough work. What I suggest you students that whenever you solve addition and subtraction in your CW book, write question with pen and solve the answer with pencil, and teacher is sending you answer key through the PDF. Okay, so you have to solve by your own in the CW. Once you cross check your answers with the answer key whenever teacher send through the WhatsApp. Once answer is correct, so again you copy, ink it with the pen. Okay, now we will add this tens place. Now see, what are the numbers in tens, thousands place? 2 plus 8, 10. Okay, write somewhere. Now we have to add 6 in tens, very easy. 10 after 6, 16. Okay, you should know in this way. Now 16 I have written. Now we have to add 5. 16 after 5 fingers. 16 after 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Okay, so write 21 and 0. When we add 0 in 21, we get as it is 21. So write 1 in thousands place and 2 will carry to 10,000s place. Now we will add this. Very small numbers are there. No need to keep on fingers. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. So write 6 as it is. Now 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. Okay, got it? Give comma after 3 digit, after 2 digit. The answer is 8,61,118. Understood? Now one more example I will solve for you, that is 16th one. What is the 16th one? See the question. 30,006, 849, 17, 5,42,268. 1 5 digit, 1 3 digit, 1 2 digit and 1 6 digit number they had given. So we will add these numbers together. Okay, now 6 plus 9, 6 keep in your mind, 9 on fingers, 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So write somewhere roughly 15 and add in 7. Add 7 in 15. Again keep 7 fingers. After 15 count everyone, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So write 22 again and we have to add again 8. 8. Okay. 22 after 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30. So how we will write 30? See, 0 will remain as it is on 1's place and this 3 tens will carry to the tens place. 3 plus 0, 3 as it is, and 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 1, 8, write somewhere, and we have to add 6 in 8. Now keep 6 fingers, count after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 14, 4 on tens place, 1 will carry to hundreds place. Now 1 plus 8, 9. Here nothing is there, means what is there? 0. So 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 2 is 10. So 0 here and 1 will carry to thousands place. Now 1 plus 0, 1 only. Here nothing is there, means what is there? 0. Okay, here also 0. So 1 plus 0, 0, 0, it became 1 only, and 1 plus 2 is 3. Okay. Now see here. 3. Here nothing is there, means 0. So 3 plus 4 is 7. So write 7. And here nothing is there. So write 5 as it is. Give comma after 3 digit, after 2 digit. What is the answer we got here? 5,73,040. Understood, students? Yes? Easy now? Yeah. So I have solved 8 sums for you. Okay. So remaining 8 are very easy. You are going to solve by yourself. Now we will start exercise. exercise B question, exercise 2.2 only. Add. Okay. B question is add. In that we will start first question. What is the first question? That given 259, comma 2569, comma 18,720, comma 32,343. See, 4 different numbers they had given. Okay. Now we have to add these all numbers together. So what I suggest you students, first give the place value, ones, tens, 100, ones, tens, 100,000, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. Okay. So I'll draw here ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000 till lakh. These columns you have to draw with pencils. Okay. I will leave one box for carry. Okay. Now we will place the numbers in place value chart. See, on ones place 9, so write 9, tens place 5, hundreds place 2. Okay. If place value chart is perfect in your mind, no need to write in this way, but just place the numbers from the left side always, from ones place, and while writing in the box also from ones place. Okay. Now next number, see, on ones place 9, tens place 6, hundreds place 5, and thousands place 2. The next number is ones place 0, tens place 2, so I am writing same, hundreds place 7, so hundreds place 7, thousands place 8, thousands place 8, 10,000s place 1 and 1. Okay, now see the last number, ones place 3, then 4, then 3, then 2, then 3. Now we have to add these all numbers and we will find out the correct answer. Okay, we will give addition symbol. Now we will do the addition. See here, 9 plus 9. One example I will solve with fingers. The next example we will solve directly. Okay, 9 plus 9. 9, keep in your mind, 9 on fingers. 9 after count 9. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So write somewhere roughly 18. So 18 plus 0 is 18 only, and 18 plus 3. 18 after 19, 20, 21. So 21 we write 1 in ones place and 2 we will carry to tens place. Now 2 plus 5, 7. 7, keep in your mind and keep 6 on fingers. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, I'll write here roughly 13. Add 2. 13 after 14, 15. So write here 15 and again add 4. 15 after 16, 17, 18, 19. So the answer is 19. So how we will write? 9 on tens place, 1 we will carry to hundreds place. Okay. Now 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 5. Yes students, 3 plus 5. Write 3. 5 on fingers. 3 plus 5. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So write 8. We have added 3. Now 6. Now 8 after 6 fingers. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 14. Now 14 we have to, in 14 we have to add again 2. 14 plus 2, 15, 16, and 16. I'll write here 16. Then again we have to add 4 in 16. Okay. Now 16 plus 4, 16 plus 4. Sorry, what I am doing? Again we are doing again tens place, which we have already done. Now we have to do hundreds place. 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 5 is 8, till here we have done correct. 8 plus 7, 8 after 7 fingers we supposed to do, but by mistakenly I went with tens place. Okay. 8 plus 7, see 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I'll write 15. 15 plus 3, 15 after 3, 16, 17, 18. So 18 will write 8 in hundreds place, 1 will carry to thousands place. Now 1 plus 2 is 3. 3, I'll write here somewhere. 3, again what we have to add in 3? 8. So count 8 fingers after 3, 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11, okay, till here. And again we have to add 2. 11 after 2, 12, 13. So write 3 here, 1 will carry. 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 3 is 5. So the answer is, what is the answer? We can write here 5, 3, 8, 9, 1, comma after 3 digits. 53,891. Okay. Now one more example we will solve. Yes. Now we will solve third one. What is the third one? 21,987, 56 and 1,832 and 59,909. Now if place value chart is perfect in your mind, how we can write directly, how we can place numbers in place value chart directly, you see. Okay, so 7 is on ones place, so always start writing numbers from left side only. So 7, 8, okay, 7, 8, 9, 1 and 2. Now see, only 56. This also you have to start from left side, ones place. What students will do? They will write here 56. But it is totally wrong. You will do the addition perfect, correct. But the way of writing, once you will do wrong, so answer also automatically will come wrong. So start writing from left side. 2, 3, 8, 1. 9, 0, 9, 9 and 5. Okay. Now we will add directly. We are not going to add on fingers. Okay. Now just add in your mind. 7 plus 6. Yes students. 13. 13 plus 2 is 15. Now 15 plus 9. Yes. Just think. 15 plus 9 is 24. So how we will write 24? 2 on ones place, that 2 tens will carry to tens place. Now 2 plus 8, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 3, 18. 18 plus 0, 18 has it is. So 8 we will write on tens place, 1 we will carry to hundreds place. 1 plus 9, 10. Very simple. Now here nothing is there, means 0 is there. So we no need to add anything. 1 plus 9 is 10. 10 plus 8 is 18. Now 18 plus 9. Yes. 18 plus 9 is 27. So we will write 7 on hundreds place. 2 we will carry to thousands place. Now 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. Now 4 plus 9. Yes students, think everyone. 4 plus 9 is 13. 3 we will write on thousands place. 1 we will carry to 10,000s place. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 5. Yes, 3 plus 5 is 8. Okay. So here in this question also we don't require lakhs place. So what I said, draw these columns with pencil only and write the answer with pencil and cross check with the answer key, then you just ink it with the pen. But this question place value you can write with pen. So what is the answer? 83784. Give comma after 3 digits. So answer is 83,784. I have solved in B question first one and third one. We will solve some more questions in our next session. So what is your today's home assignment is remaining in A question I have solved for you 8 sums. Remaining 8 sums you are going to solve by yourself. And in B question just try to practice it whichever you like, any 5 sums in rough book. Okay. So in next session I am going to teach remaining sums all on the board. Then later on you can cross check with your answers. Okay. Till that time, take care students. Bye bye. Thank you.